recording button असतं वरती.
Oh, I have started
on your left side top.
I can see that now. I have started that thing.
Okay.
But let's see whether I can be able to transfer it into the YouTube thing or something. अब सब experiment ही है यार. बहुत I'm not very comfortable with this technology.
ऑन करके देख लो अगर आज हो जाता है रिकॉर्डिंग तो.
हाँ. That is what. So today I am doing on my phone also and I am trying to do it on my this laptop. मैं ये नहीं यूज करूंगी क्योंकि फोन के लिए अगर म्यूजिक चाहिए तो फिर वो आएगा नहीं ना. म्यूजिक ठीक है ना, वैसे बहुत कम नहीं है, ज्यादा नहीं है ना.
नहीं ठीक है.
दीपा, हाय दीपा. हाय वैशाली. Vaishali is not Vaishali, there are two Vaishalis.
There are no Vaishali.
Yes, there's one more Vaishali. She's from Nagpur. And who is Rupa? Rupa, please open your video. I can see. I want to see everyone today. And then afterwards you can put off the video. Hi Rupa. Can you open your video?
60 minutes search है Zoom 40.
Yeah.
Maximum 40 minutes ना.
Yeah.
हम start केले already. You will not get time for other things then.
2 minutes left for 7.
Otherwise you can rejoin na again.
Huh?
You can join again after 5 minutes I think. That will save.
Everyone is coming. Let them come, sweets. Pali, open your video. Let me see everyone. Yeah, Alka, I can see Alka. Deepa, can I see you? किसी का म्यूट नहीं है, म्यूट कर दो प्लीज. So should we start? So namaste friends. Happy Ram Navami and happy Earth Day. So today 2 major days are there. राम नवमी का हमें सबको इम्पोर्टेंस पता है. अर्थ डे का भी आई थिंक एवरीवन नोज द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ इम्पोर्टेंट द अर्थ डे. प्लीज अपने आप को म्यूट पे रखो. आई कैन हियर सम बैकग्राउंड नॉइस और आप लोगों को भी मेरा आवाज ठीक से सुनाई नहीं देगा फिर. यस. So today I'm not going to talk about Earth. I will talk about Earth, Prithvi, but I'm not going to say how we are abusing, misusing the Earth. So many problems coming up because of we are creating the pollution and all. Yes, I am not going to go. Today I want to tell you that how important Earth is and how it came into being. Earth is one of the 5 Mahabhutas, Panch Mahabhutas का हमने सुना होगा नाम. 5 elements which we are made of. The 5 elements and the whole universe, Brahmand, is also made up of these 5 elements. And these 5 elements are Akash, Prithvi, Agni, Jal, and Vayu. So what is outside of us is inside of us. Like they say, Yatha Pinde Tatha Brahmande, Yatha Brahmande Tatha Pinde. So what is outside the Brahmand is inside our body also. So it is both the same combination we have. It is said that Prithvi, that Prithvi जो तत्व रहता है वो हमारे बॉडी में या आउटसाइड यूनिवर्स में it is 12% of the total total what we will say products is earth. Then Akash is very subtle, it is 6%, it is outside us is 6% in the universe, and it is inside us is also 6% of the space it occupies. Then Agni, which is fire, it is again 4% is inside us and 4% outside in the universe. So Agni is in the form of Jatragni, digestive fire. So it stays like that. And then comes Vayu. Vayu is air. It is again 6% of Vayu is outside us in the universe, multiverse, and 6% is inside us. So see the exact amount. It is exactly same amount what is outside is inside us. That is the beauty of this Panch Mahabhutas. Jal, that is water, is the maximum space is occupied by Jal. So outside also, we know Earth, maybe 3/4 of the space is occupied by Jal. That is 74% of the space is occupied by Jal outside also, and inside our body also there is a 74% of water. So, and how, what form it is like? Earth का form जो inside, बाहर तो हमें पता how Earth is. It is in the form of stones, rocks, trees, human beings, living beings. Inside us, what constitutes Earth? The Earth constitutes of muscles, bones, and ligaments, and all these solid stuff which is inside us is all made up of Earth. Then air, which is inside us, occupies the space between the two joints, between two organs. There is a space, it is occupied with the air. So air occupies that space. Jal. So jal यानी liquid, what is inside us is in the form of plasma, blood, mucus. तो ये सब चीजें टोटल जो जल है. प्लीज किसी का ऑन है ऑडियो. हाय लक्ष्मी, इज योर ऑडियो ऑन? कैन यू म्यूट इट प्लीज? ओके. एंड देन देयर इज दिस जल हो गया, अग्नि हो गया, आकाश. Akash, that's a space. Tattva is again, that is 6% outside, inside. It is the spaces between our all the joints and all. I think I spoke about it. It's an Akash. Air हो गया, जल हो गया, अग्नि भी हो गया. So how this percentage also is similar, which is outside and inside us. Now earth का जो quality है हमारे में, it is associated with the Muladhara chakra. Our Muladhara chakra, I hope you are aware of this Muladhara chakra. सबके इसमें जो सबसे first chakra है root chakra. It is a Muladhara chakra and it is directly associated with the earth element. So earth elements की quality है कि it is very stable, it is very supportive, it is very what you will call it's a very beautiful quality of earth element. What we associate with nourishing. Yeah, it is nourishing, like all this, motherly qualities. Mother, like earth is like a mother. So how it nourishes us, how it supports us, unconditional support. So ये जो quality Muladhara chakra में है, वही हमारे earth में भी है. So why earth is very important? So today I'm just not going to talk about this earth element, but I am going to, in our meditation, we will be doing the meditation on all these Panch Mahabhutas, that is all the 5 elements. So we will start this session. Actually, it's this topic is so much bigger that I can go on and on talking on this topic, but I will not take much time. Just a small info देना था कि how Earth came into. अच्छा, again one more very important aspect है कि how Earth came into being. Earth came into being through space. Just it will take 2 minutes. Space has a tattva of sound. Space में कुछ भी नहीं रहता, बस एक sound रहता है, humming sound. Okay, through that humming sound is who takes the birth? Vayu. Air takes the form from the space. The air comes out because that air has that subtlety, movement, and plus the sound. And the feel, and you can feel the air, and you can listen also to the air. So the two tattvas are into the air. First tattva comes from the space, जो है sound का. Second जो है स्पर्श का. Then from air comes the Agni. नहीं sorry, not Agni, Jal. From Vayu comes Agni. तो अग्नि में 3 तत्व हैं. I think I'm going somewhere. नहीं, from space comes air. Air से निकलता है वायु. सॉरी, एयर से निकलता है जल. तो जल में मूवमेंट भी है, स्पर्श भी है एंड टेस्ट भी है. So sometimes it is salty, sometimes it is sweet. So there is a taste. And from jal comes out Agni. Agni में form भी है. You can see the form of Agni and you can see all other 3 elements also, that is sparsh, sound and taste. And from Agni comes earth. So earth is the last thing which comes out. So in earth you have all these 4 elements plus the solidity, plus the form, plus the sound, plus the sparsh and plus this pran. So this pran which is there in the earth, in the living beings, in the human beings, it has this aushadhi also in the form of plants. From there it comes the human form. So इसलिए earth जो है सबसे last में आता है. earth हमारी जन्मभूमि माँ, and we treat it as like a mother because it nourishes us, it supports us and it is always there for us. So keeping this in our mind, all these Pancha Mahabhutas, we will do our meditation starting with our pranayam. So everyone take your position for the pranayam, keeping your back straight, eyes gently closed. Take deep and long breaths, normalize your breathing. And we will start the pranayam, that is Anulom Vilom. First close your right nostril, inhale from your left, in 2, 3, 4, out 2, 3, 4, 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 in 3, 4, out 2, 3, 4, in 2, 3, 4, out 2, 3, 4, in 2, out 2, 3, 4, in 2, 3, 4, 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 out 2, 3, 4. Last round. In 2, 3, 4, out 2, 3, 4, in 2, 3, 4, out 2, 3, 4, and relax. Deep and long breaths. Normal breaths लीजिए 3-4 बार, and then we will do our Bhastrika 25 to 50 rounds. Start passive inhalation and forceful exhalation. Relax. Deep and long breaths. If anyone is wearing glasses, please remove them. We will invoke today Lord Shiva, Mahavatar Babaji, Lord Ram, Sita Ma, everyone, to ask them to bless you and to be with you while doing meditation. Focus on your breath, your in breath and the out breath. अपने श्वासों पे ध्यान दीजिए और आप जैसे जैसे श्वासों पे ध्यान देंगे आपका मन धीरे धीरे शांत होता जाएगा. Now I want you to visualize yourself that you are moving in a jungle, in a dense forest. Visualize कोई भी जंगल, कोई भी जगह आपका कभी गए हो या आपको कभी जाना था या कभी आपने कोई मूवी में देखा हो. Rupa, you can't hear me. Everybody can hear me. Just thumbs up karo ya thumbs down karo, please. If you are not able to hear me. Okay. Rupa, you check your volume. Then you will be able to hear me. So take yourself to a beautiful place where you wanted to go. Full of woods, jungle, lots of green trees, and walk barefoot. You're not wearing any chappal, your shoes, nothing. Feel the earth below you. So you are walking on the earth. आप नंगे पैर चल रहे हो. You can feel the pebbles, the stones, the rustling of the leaves, dry leaves. Keep moving. आसपास देखते जाइए क्या क्या आपको दिख रहा है. You can see beautiful different colors of so many green leaves, green के different shades. Lovely flowers, white flowers, yellow color, purple color. Visualize what else you can see in that jungle. Few trees are very tall. You have to lift your neck up to see the top of the tree. Thick foliage and small tiny sun rays are coming, peeping through those trees. हल्के हल्के सनरेज आ रहे हैं आपके ऊपर. सनरेज हैं and they are soothing you with the energy you are getting through the sun. You can hear the birds chirping. Myna or the jungle crow or the hornbill or the small sparrows. You can see them flying by or you can hear them. The twitter of the birds, the chirping of the birds. Keep your back straight, eyes closed, and visualize and completely absorb yourself with the nature. Be one with the nature, and you can feel the energy you're getting through that. Keep moving wherever you wish to go. Touch the plants, the trees, the bark of the tree, the twigs which have fallen down. फील करिए, हर चीज को हाथ लगा के फील करिए, so that you are getting energy from that. Your every cell is getting that positive energy. In return, give your love, your compassion to the trees. After walking for some time, you can see the stream flowing. The stream is flowing on the rocks, through the rocks, around the rocks. Very clean, pure water you can see. If you wish, you can keep your legs, feet in the water. You can walk because that stream is very shallow. It is not deep at all. You can walk through that stream to the other side. Feel the coolness of the water on your feet. पानी ठंडा है, वो आपके पैरों को टच हो रहा है. फील करिए उस टच को. Feel the purity which is going inside. And see how that stream is flowing. It is maneuvering from the stones. उसके बीच में, उनके रास्ते में obstacles आते हैं. फिर भी वो अपना रास्ता निकालती है. पानी हमेशा अपना रास्ता निकालता है. कभी भी obstacles को देख के never it stops. Never it is afraid. You are crossing the stream and you are on the other side, where you could see the lush green grass. Very soft grass. You can feel it on your feet. Little moist. Keep walking on the grass. Far away you could see some valley. You want to see what is there in the valley, so you're walking towards the valley. You are now standing at the tip of the valley and looking down at the vast greenery which you could see down, lush green foliage of trees. घना जंगल है नीचे वैली में, and you could feel that beautiful fragrance of that trees to your nostril. एक जो पेड़ों की नेचुरल खुशबू रहती है वो आप सूंघ सकते हो, फील कर सकते हो. जहां भी आपकी नजर जा रही है आपको सिर्फ और सिर्फ पेड़ ही पेड़ नजर आ रहे हैं, माउंटेन्स नजर आ रहे हैं. Wonderful flowers, wild flowers. Now you're turning back and you want to again go towards the stream. Keep walking back. And you want to sit on that big rock which is at the center of the stream. Sit there in any comfortable position as you're sitting for meditation. Hear that gentle sound of the water. Hear the birds chirping. And focus on your breath. Last 10 minutes, soak in the energy. The sun is directly falling on your face. You are soaking in the energy of the sun. You are getting the energy of the water. At the same time, you are getting the energy of the earth, the trees. Gentle breeze is blowing, touching your skin, refreshing your face. Keep your mind focused at the place where you are. Sitting there, thank all the five elements, all the Pancha Mahabhutas for creating you, for creating this wonderful universe, for creating this Brahman, for giving you the opportunity to experience this wonder. Last 2 minutes. Now slowly get up from that place and start walking back from where you have started. Minutely keep observing the things which are around you, the movement which is happening around you, the fragrance which you can smell. How energetic you are feeling, how happy you are. How grateful you are. Slowly come back to your original place. Thank you, God, for whatever you have given me. Also for whatever you have not given me. With this sense of gratitude, rub your palms together and keep it on your eyes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. And slowly open your eyes. Thank you so much. I hope you could experience yourself in the place and you liked it. Now we will meet on Friday, same time. Till then, bye.
Thank you, Sai.
Yeah, bye.